Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Econominds. In today's video, we will discuss the common PG entrance test 2025 economics previous year question paper. In this series, we will solve all 100 questions in detail along with previous year question paper to help you prepare better. So stay tuned and keep watching. Let's begin with our first question. The first question is, which of the following is not included in the decision that every society must take? Option A is what good will be produced. Option B, who will produce the goods. Option C, how to determine the consumer preferences. D, who will consume the good. We know that the central problems of economics are what to produce, how much to produce, and for whom to produce. But there is no such how to determine the consumer preferences. So the correct answer will be option C, how to determine the consumer preferences. The second question, the A, there is no such thing as free lunch means that option A, even the poor people have to pay for food. Option B, there are no free goods in the economy. Option C, to get something we like, we usually have to give up another things we also like. Option D, all costs are included in the price of a product. The question that there is no such thing as free lunch. In 10 principle of economics, we have studied to get something we like, we usually have to give up another thing we also like. To have something, we have to give up something. So correct answer will be here option C. To get something we like, we usually have to give up another things we also like. Question number 3. For a straight line demand curve which is downward sloping from left to right, the price elastic demand at the midpoint is equal to what? In the straight line demand curve, this is the straight line demand curve. At the midpoint, the price elasticity will be equal to 1 because the elasticity lower segment by upper segment. At this point, lower segment will be equal to upper segment, so the elasticity will be 1. Question number 4. The price elasticity of demand for two straight line demand curve which are parallel to each other will be equal. This statement is true or false. The price elasticity of two straight line demand curve which are parallel. This is the first demand curve. This is parallel to second demand curve. The price elasticity will be equal because their slope will be equal. So the correct answer is this statement is true. Question number 5. When the price of a product rises, consumers shift their purchase to other products whose prices are now relatively cheaper. This describes the in question option A income effect, option B substitution effect, option C inferior good effect, option D law of demand. The price of a product rises and the demand of that other product depends. So there is the link is a substitution effect because so in substitution effect other price affects others demand, other goods demand. So the correct answer will be B. Question number 6. When the pricing strategy is first degree price discrimination, the consumer surplus will be option A is equal to 0, option B is maximized, option C is infinite, option D depends on the price charge. In the first degree price discrimination, we have know that the consumer surplus will be equal to 0 because in that case monopolist exploits all the consumer surplus from the consumer. So the answer is option A is equal to 0. Question number 7. A monopolist maximizes her profits by producing quantity at which option A marginal revenue equals price, marginal revenue equals marginal cost equal price, option D marginal revenue equals average revenue. We know that monopolist profit maximizes where marginal revenue equal to marginal cost because this is AR curve, this is MR curve, and this is MC curve. This is SC curve. Here is profit is maximized where MR equal to MC, and this will be price. Here answer is Option B. Question number 8. Imagine a budget constant with good Y on the vertical axis and good X on the horizontal axis. How would the budget line will be affected with the price of both goods decline proportionately? Here, this is the budget line. If price of both goods declines proportionately, then this good will be cheaper, and if the good will be cheaper, the consumer will buy more of the good with that income. So the budget line will shift upward or shift right, parallel to previous budget line, because there is a proportionate change in both the price. So there is shift in budget line towards right. So the correct answer will be option D. Here, the new budget line will be parallel to old budget line but shift to the right. The answer will be B. Question number 9. Compared to perfect competition, monopoly market will always generate option A higher price, lower output. Option B lower price and higher output. Option C higher price and higher output. Option D lower price and lower output. Here the correct answer will be option A, because a higher price and a lower output, because in monopolies charges high price than perfect competition, because in perfect competition farm cannot charge prices because it's a price taker, but in monopoly it is a price maker, and also it produces low output with high price. Next question is question number 10. Accounting profit is equal to total revenue minus option A implicit cost, option B variable cost, option C the sum of implicit and explicit cost, option D explicit cost. The correct answer will be option D explicit cost, because accounting cost means explicit cost. If the accounting profit is required, then this will be total revenue minus explicit cost. So that's all for today. We have completed 10 questions. In the next session, we will discuss the next 10. So stay tuned. If you have any doubts, just ask in the comments. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more such economics videos. Like, share, subscribe, let's go. Hit the links down below.